Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Mech Assemble, guys. And in this tutorial I'm going to share with you how actually I got a mod for the game, guys. So if you want to learn how to do this as well, the mod works for the both devices, iOS and Android. Then watch the video, guys, until the end. I'm going to share for you all the steps I did for myself, so you can learn it also how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, before you start the whole process, you just need to check your things in the settings so that the process doesn't fail. Alright, so the first thing you have to scroll it down till you find this app store, and then you have this automatic downloads. Make sure you have these three options on. Okay, this is to allow automatic downloads in your device and updates as well. Another important thing is that you need to check the battery. So basically, if you're using a lower power mode, guys, a lot of people like to use lower power mode to save battery. In this case, you need to turn it off, guys, before the process, because it will disable automatic downloads on your device. Okay, so I can show you. For example, if you keep this on and go back where it was, as you can see, automatic downloads get disabled. All right, so you need to turn it off, guys. And when you turn it off, let me show you one more time. As you can see, automatic downloads get enabled again. Okay, so just turn it off if you're using lower power mode, guys. Okay, so the next step, guys, what you have to do, you have to go to your internet browser, go and search about this site. It's called Modolix, Modolix. All right, so once you're gonna enter inside, guys, you have a lot of other things which you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm going to use the searching bar, not to make the video too long. So we type here Mech Assembly, and then you have information here about the game, guys, and the mod as well. And here in the corner you have the install button, so you just need to press it and continue the rest of the steps, guys, required, and you're gonna be able to get the mod same as me, guys. Okay, so basically this is it, guys, in short words. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.